Alright, here's my cat again. Just sitting in our next door neighbor's yard. As you can see. Just laying there. But, anyway. See, there's our house. That's the neighbor's house. In their yard equals cat. Dum, da dum, da dum, dum. Let's see if we can get them really up close. Oh. Man. Oh, hey Mario. Aw? What you doing? Scratch your head. Oh, sorry about my hand. Trying to scratch his head. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Look at his fur. Look at his face and his eye. Look at him, just laying there peacefully. Look at his tail. Look at his back. Just look. Oh, what the? Oh my gosh, what are you doing? I gotta catch this on camera. Whoa. What is he doing? What? Oh, hi. Hi, Mario. What the heck is he doing? Zoom in. Oh. Yes. Yes. So, I'm sorry I didn't manage to get him playing yet. But, as always, I will keep on trying. And, there he is. Laying in the grass. Laying in the grass. Aww. 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 Isn't he cute? Okay. Anyway. Oh, what the? Oh, dang. I didn't get that on the camera. What, did you catch something? Hey, buddy. What? I'm over here. I know, Mom. Remember, I'm recording here. Okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. Oh, friend! Sorry, I just went a little crazy there.